Next, Werner's theory. Okay, so he is the first scientist. He gave an elementary idea for coordination compounds. In the year 1898, he proposed his theory. He set two important main concepts, that is primary valency and secondary valency. Okay, primary valency and secondary valency. Okay, so first, in coordination compounds, metals show two types of linkages, that is valencies like primary and secondary. So the primary valencies are ionizable and are satisfied by negative ions. The secondary valencies are non-ionizable and are satisfied by neutral molecules. It may be neutral molecule or negative ions, or it equal to the coordination number, okay, and fixed to for a metal. Okay, the last one, the groups bound by the secondary linkages to the metal have characteristics spatial arrangements corresponding to different coordination numbers. Okay, the first one, what is that? In coordination compounds, metal show two types of linkage. Here the first, let me write the complex like hexaamine cobalt. Okay, 3 chloride. Okay, here this is complex, the complex contain central metal atom as well as ligand groups. Okay, so he denoted as these ligand groups are non ionizable. Okay, the presence of Cl3 plus, it is a counter ion or ionizable. Okay, so this is central metal atom. So this is ligand group. Okay, so this the presence of Cl3, this is a ionizable. Okay, so how? Because the here the new ligand molecules donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom. Here the tentative bonds takes place between the central metal atom as well as the ligand groups. So it is not ionizable, directional. It is a not ionizable but directional. But in the presence of the species which is present outside of the sphere, that is called counter ion. Later we can see that counter ion or ionizable group. Okay, so it is easily gets ionized. Okay, so that is a concept. The ligand is a secondary valency, and the central metal atom, the one group which is present outside the sphere, that is a counter ion or primary valency. Okay, so these are the concept he proposed. When a complex contain primary valency as well as the secondary valency. What is primary valency? That is ionizable group, non-directional. What is secondary valency? Ligand group, because donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom. Okay. The third concept is it gives the spatial arrangement. Okay, spatial arrangement means suppose the complex, that is 6 coordination number means it gives, this is central metal atom, and 6 1 2 3 4 5 6, this is octahedral. Okay, octahedral, how many pairs of electron? 6 pairs of electron donate to the central metal atom. This is NH3, this is NH3, and this is NH3, and this is NH3, and this is NH3, and this is NH3. But this is directional, directly donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom. It is a directional group, that is called secondary valency. The ions present outside the group, that is counter ion or ionizable, that is non-directional. Wherever you want, this is non-directional. Here Cl3. Okay, here also Cl3. Okay, here Cl3. Okay, this is non-directional. Okay, these are the concept he proposed his theory. Okay, so the main concept is primary valency, that is ionizable group, and the secondary valency, that is non-ionizable, because donate a pair of electron to the central metal atom to form a coordinate, and it gives a spatial arrangement, and it gives a spatial arrangement. This is octahedral. This is the 6 coordinate. This is octahedral. Okay, octahedral. At the same time, here the 6, let me take another one example. Iron cyano, okay, hexacyanoferrate. Here also this cyanide donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom. It forms octahedral complex. But here nickel carbonate, nickel carbonyl, okay, so tetracarbonyl nickelate. Here only square planar, because for the carbonyl donor ligands donate the pair of electron to the central metal atom to form a square planar, planar, square planar, because this is a central metal atom. Here CO group, CO group, CO group, and CO group. Okay, so this is square planar. Okay, okay. So according to this concept, only he proposed two main concept: primary valency as well as secondary valency. The primary valency is no ionizable, secondary valency is ligand group. Okay, and it gives the spatial arrangement. Spatial arrangement means, suppose 6 coordination number means it gives octahedral, 4 coordination number means it gives tetrahedral. Okay.